I got this awesome accessory to help me wash my truck, and this thing's pretty great, and I wanted to show it to you. So it comes with three removable pads here. These things are a nice sort of like fuzzy microfiber type material, and you can see they have like a little tension sort of lip around here, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute on the device. But you can see it comes with three of these. So there's two, and then this is the third one. I've got it attached to the head here, and I'll show you what it looks like without the pad on it. But I wanted to show you this is really cool because it has a little strap here, so you can put your hand on this, and this is nice and firm. So you can scrub like wheel wells, or maybe kind of under the doorways, the runners, that kind of thing, if they're really grimy. So you can do that by hand, which is just fantastic. Or you can pop this up and then screw this into the rod. And the rod comes apart super easy. It's just your standard, like, pin click in system. And so you just push it in like so. And then you've got a nice long arm. And so you can screw this onto the arm, which is great. And then you have a nice way to kind of get on the top of your vehicle with the arm here, and I'll show you that in a minute. So let's talk about the removable pad here. This is the third removable pad, and you can see you just loosen the tension here. It slips right off, and then this is a nice hard plastic so that it wraps around this, and then that makes it really easy to grip and hold on to, so you can scrub with that on there. So I'm about 6 foot tall, and this thing comes up to about my mouth. So it's a little less than 6 feet long. But when I'm standing and I'm reaching over the truck, it does a really great job getting up on the top, so I can get the top nice and clean and scrub the top with this. Or if I want to run this along the truck bed in the back, I can kind of rub with that without having to climb in the truck bed, which is really, really great. So overall, I'm really, really pleased with this. Again, I love that I can take this topper off, put it on around my hand like this, and rub my wheel wells or down along the bottom of the car, so I can get that nice and clean. So overall, if you're looking for something to just help make washing the car a little bit easier, I think this is a really, really cool tool. I'm a really big fan of it, and I would highly recommend it.